You know, I go from here, the voice, you know, and God, you know. Me and Ian's there, you know, I represent for grandpa neighborhood watching, you know. Outside, one ground, you know, rolling.
Yes, me people, who don't know grandpa there, and grandpa there we talk what go on. And me people them say talk, grandpa talk. And me a talk what go on in the community. Me a talk, Cement construction site. Them say them a go block the road Sunday. Listen, Trinity is a busy road. Watch out, then put up one sign. Nobody can even see the sign. The sign, if you come up the road, you can't see the sign. If you come down the road, you barely can't see the sign. Watch your grandma people. The people them say talk, grandpa talk. The people them say talk. Them a go cut the road, that means them a go block the road. Nothing now can pass. Right, yes, sir. I think in ya, them all cut the road. Them all block the road. Cement construction site. Watch what go on. Big Sunday man, you know, say everybody a go pass. What if somebody a go hospital? Nobody now can pass. I hear they are taking this cement construction site. What you go on now? It's only when somebody a come from up the road, them can see the little piece of sign where them put up. Hold on, a big international company like this put up one little piece of signboard. Instead of a block the big public road. What you go on now? I hear they are them a keep up. People them say talk, grandpa. Watch what go on, grandpa talk. Come here talk to my people them. Look upon the little sign where them put up. You have to go near to it to read what it say. Big construction site. You watch what go on, my people. It's slack. Slackness I go on, my people. Me not like it. Watch what go on. The people them must say the work have to go on at the night. If we not block the road in the night. We not cannot expect to block a busy road in the morning. Where public transportation are passed every second, it can't work. We don't put up one little piece of signboard where if somebody come from down the road, them can't see it. It's only if somebody come from up the road and somebody fast, them see a sign like that. I idiot think that. Big construction site, cement construction site, one of the better people. St. Thomas people, Trinity people, say one for the better. We have to block the road in the night and do the work in the night, Rasta. I idiot thing from block the road in the morning. The people them not agree with you, know.